We've hiked quite a while. We are up in the mountains, deep in the woods. Now, when we planned this trip, the weather was actually supposed to be nice, but we've had ice storms, big time, snowstorms. Can't believe we made it up here. So, yesterday, we went to see the Helvetia Powerhouse because we've never got that on film, like video. And come to find out, a couple years ago, it was bought. There is private property signs posted, shit you not, like every 20 feet, all around it. I guess you could argue that you could take the old CSX, supposedly they still have that, but not sure. Didn't want to chance it. Is owned by Amish. Amish do carry firearms, and according to people in the know, they're not too friendly to trespassers. So we are actually going to try to get permission to go there to get it on film, because it is a cool place. Just, you know, we used to do this on our videotape. Anyway, so we went to the Sebula Tunnel. We couldn't get down the road to get to the end you can actually get in. Probably shouldn't have said that out loud. Good luck researching it. If you're willing to hike through the Allegheny Forest, go for it. So now we are in a different area, looking for these old 1800s, early 1900s coal mines. So they're coming through that way. Kept coming on these rocks. Mind you, we've got like 6 inches of fresh snow, and there's a lot of rocks that are a little warm. So if we find these, I'm wondering if they're going to be on fire. Alright, we're at the area of interest. These are probably closed. PA loves to do that, especially Western PA. You never know. We get lucky once in a while. Alright, I'll let you go. Okay, so we're in this interesting area. I'll stick this phone out. I think it's Waterfield. There's a hole. We're gonna go. Am I crazy? Tell me that don't look like stacked rock. This is some very bizarre rock facing here, but we're gonna be careful. I think that's an old stone wall. There's a hole over there that needs investigated because there's no snow around it. Yeah, so we're gonna watch where we walk. I don't see any smoke, which would be good. Like I said, I'm not quite sure if there's an underground mine fire or not. It'd be interesting, especially in light of thinking we may have found a body yesterday. Yeah, this has been one of the strangest trips we've ever had. I'll tell you that. Okay, no openings yet. A few spots that go in, but I saw you were standing down. Ugh. Should have stayed there. I wanted to get a video of you in there. Oh, grab my hand. Slippery.
Vape on you?
Yeah. Wow, that's a wild looking area.
It is.
Do you think that's a portal area?
Huh?
Think that's a portal area?
Oh, yeah. Be careful because the snow has ice under it. Like there's a harder layer of snow.
I saw that. Oh, there's a hole.
You have to stomp your feet so that you can break through the top layer.
Huh. Alrighty. Alright, we're on to another site. Didn't find any mine openings. We went to go to the Kehena wild area to see the nuclear jet testing bunkers, but that wasn't happening. We got up to the mountain, recorded great, but like I said, under all the snow, there's like 2 inches of freaking ice from the storm the other night. So we came to the Tyler Coke Ovens. But we made it off. that mountain. Yeah, we've been meaning to go see the bunkers. Because we want to make it a side trip. Because bunkers are very big. Ugh. So, not like that's a whole day thing. There's the coke ovens. Yeah, like I said, we planned this trip when the weather is supposed to be a lot nicer than this. Alright, so I made it up the icy hill to the Tyler bunkers. I mean, Tyler coke ovens. And of course, Tyler's not with us. This area was full of coal mines. We were really struggling this trip to get to them because everything's so treacherous. Roads are shit. But we made the coke ovens. I love coke ovens. Okay. I don't remember the exact dates when these fronts are gone, like most. We've only seen a few that still exist with the fronts. Like in, I think it's Indiana County. There's some. Shoot, I forget the other area. Westmoreland County. There's some coke ovens that still have the fronts. So these were double. So there's another set of these on the back side. Usually you can go up top carefully and walk. I don't know that I would do it today. Because, see if I can show you. They all have that hole. See how that hole is covered by snow? Usually you can see daylight. You can't see that hole right now. It'd be a rather nasty fall through. So we're not going to do that today. And here's a couple hundred of these here. You see coke ovens, you know there's coal mines. Like I said, there's a ton around here. We just can't freaking get to them. Woo! Almost fell. So you can kind of see the bigger stone. That would have been the front. I'll see if I can insert a picture so you can see. When they have the fronts on, they are really amazing looking. I think this is the first time we've seen coke ovens with no signs of homeless. Like, homeless don't live in them anymore. But these coke ovens used to be associated with larger towns and settlements. Before they died, the towns themselves would die. These would be close by for the homeless to stay in. It doesn't look like that happened here, though. There's only a few houses remaining in this ghost town. Careful if you go up there, because I see snow's plugging a lot of these holes.
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get up here.
Is it too icy? Yeah, this is why we're struggling. We can't even get to most of the sites we wanted to. Look at this. That is ice. That is very slippery ice. So, yeah, we're doing the best we can. But hey, at least we're finishing out the year with some coke ovens. Here's a hopper. Here's a coal breaker down the road. But it's in town. Oh shit, we're at the top of the tipple. So I don't know if we can get to it. The coal breaker, but we're gonna stop and try to get pictures. That's a bike trail down there. Yeah, so this was a tipple. So that hopper's laying on its side. And tipple would have gone on down. Yeah. Very cool. That means mine would have been up on the hill behind us. It looks like there's a root cellar down there. God, Nora, I wonder how old that door is. That door's cool.
So we're back at the park.
Come here, kid. I want you to hold this up in that window for me. It's recording, if you don't mind.
Oh, no. I think these are old bathrooms.
What?
Oh, yeah, these are old bathrooms.